Hi, I'm Scott Doing at MarineMax of Dallas, and we're about to take a look at a brand new Harris 240 Solstice with a water sports tower and a 250 horsepower Verado. The 240 Solstice has bench seating on both sides in the bow, an aerated live well underneath your front corner seat, port side walk-through, helm seat with flip-up bolster and recline mechanism, L-shaped bench in the back with flip-flop backrest that allows you to face the stern while the boat is underway, 4-step telescoping ladder, flip-down swim seat, and ski tow bar. Moving towards the front, you'll see the helm area. The boat does have active trim, a Simrad GPS unit with fish finder, a water sports tower, and a pair of matching Polk tower speakers. So the 240 Solstice does have an aerated live well under your front seat. It's pretty well insulated, so a lot of my customers end up using it as a cooler also. You do end up with storage underneath both of your bench seats. Very nice in-floor ski locker. Flip down armrest with cup holders. That is your subwoofer and amp built into your sound system. This will flip up for a changing room if you want to have one installed. Nice storage built into all of the chase lounges. Here's everybody's favorite part about this boat. You have the nice L-shaped bench seat, but this is on a hinge. It will flip this way if you want to use this as a rear-facing seat for pulling the kids on the tubes and the skis. Because you got the safety railing back here, it's legal to do that while the boat's underway. Nice 4-step telescoping ladder. Nice safety bar in the back, tow bar. Also has safety railing here that doesn't allow kids to fall down in it. Flip down swim seat. That is one of the favorite things on board this boat. It sits about 8 inches underneath the water, allows someone to sit down in the water while the boat's floating there. Large storage area in the back. This is where your table would go, your fenders, your coolers, all of that kind of good stuff. Folding tower by unscrewing the knobs here. Matching tower speakers. And up here the dash. So the Simrad unit does have a GPS. It does have a downscan, fish finder. Upgraded Polk stereo system with Bluetooth. It's also AM/FM. There's also a USB port where you can plug in your phone and run music directly through it. Controls the transom speakers. Mercury active trim. So while you're underway, now your tilt and trim is done automatically for you. It'll trim you down when you're coming up on plane, automatically trim you up while you're out of plane. All of the Mercury Verado Pro engines are all digital throttle, so no more cable connecting your throttle to your engine. This is one of our hottest boats this year. We're absolutely selling a pile of them. So if you have any questions on this or any of our other boats, pick up the phone and give us a call or stop in the showroom. We look forward to talking to you.